Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record microphone, device, audio, and also you can show tabs. And that's all the settings of Screen Recorder here. And if you want to start recording, just tap on this button once, then tap OK, and after that recording starts. So let's record something from our screen, I don't know, maybe some settings. So if you want to stop recording, just tap on this menu here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the movies section. And after that recording starts. So let's record something from our screen with some settings. And here we have our recording. And from here you can share, edit, oh no, please no, and delete, share, edit or delete this recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.